I had to make a quick Publix run so I could stock up for the week. And I'm just going to pre-make some overnight oats so that I can have for breakfast throughout the week, so I don't have to think about what I'm going to eat before I go to work. Yada, yada, yada.
That's ice till you can't live. You're like another fire-breathing creature, but it don't burn how it appears. It's true, you could make me melt, but don't you forget it. If the first thing you fell forever do for reasons, it's only because you ain't here. I can't feel it in the air, my cold sweat dripping everywhere. I'm all wet. I don't even care as long as you're wait. Oh, there's ice till you can't live. You're like another fire-breathing creature, but it don't burn how it appears. It's true, you could make me melt, but don't you forget it. If the first thing you fell forever do for reasons, it's only because you ain't here. I can feel it in the air, my cold sweat.
Step by step, we'll find our way back to our feet. 'Cause loving don't go easy.
I just made it home from work, so let's make some dinner. Boom, put the peppers in there. Now I'm about to add some pico because it's one of my favorites. I literally put this stuff on everything. I added the fried chicken breast, Greek yogurt over in the corner, and I might put a little Caesar dressing on there. I haven't decided, but bottom line is it looked good to me.
Leaving us stuck in a moment, unable to move in one direction or the other.
Izzy, come on.
Okay, she's been in there all night. We have to do something.
We ended up leaving Link and going to a hole in the wall spot. Epic fail. We'll never do again. We should have just stayed at Link, but I digress. That's neither here nor there. Food stop, of course. I'm still choking. I can't. That was the smokiest establishment I've ever been to in my life. You people are gonna give people lung cancer. Get some ventilation in that place. It's not safe. It's not safe at all. Listen to me. I sound like rasping a bear.
Listen. I can't believe we went. We be doing anything.
Just bullshit. Out here just living it up like pump the brakes. You doing too much. You doing too much.
Don't want to go in the house, so guess what we do? Any fucking thing.
God,
We gotta go.
gosh darn, man. Watering some of my plants. Thank you so much.
For you. You're welcome so much. Thank you, ladies. Anything else?
No, thank you.
Enjoy.
After I made it back home from dinner, I decided to bake some banana bread and catch up on Grey's Anatomy on Netflix, of course.
That's ice till you can't be up. You're like another fire-breathing creature, but it don't burn how it appears. This true, you could make me melt, but don't you forget it. If the first thing you felt forever do for reasons, it's only because you ain't here. I can't feel it in the air, my cold sweat dripping everywhere. I'm all wet. I don't even care as long as you're wait.
You are just one of many men I happen to be dating.
Really? How many of us on there?
Okay, I'm in hell.
Mom? Dad? Scratch that. Now I'm in hell.
Thanks for watching. Tune in next week for episode 10. Same time, same channel. Bye, buds.